here we are in MetaQuest Horizons. You can see the little window, and this is the view that you start out with. To make your menu appear, you press the little MetaQuest button, and then here you go. Here's your little menu. Now, right now, I've already passed the steps of creating my own boundary, but I'm going to step outside the boundary so that you can see what you're supposed to do. So you can see the edges as you appear, and then wow, would you look at that, I'm actually in the plant. So when you first put on your VR goggles, what you're going to see is something kind of like this, where it says either return to your boundary or make new boundary, and you can choose your options, but the easiest is to choose a stationary boundary, to draw it around you or have it be drawn around you, and then to confirm. So you're back inside, look at that, you're looking at the basic loading screen. So the apps are on the bottom right hand corner in the library, and you can see we have Roblox and Meta Horizon Workrooms set up. Now before we hop in, we're going to actually go to the camera. So for you all, you have to record what you're doing, and right now you can see I am recording. That's how you can watch this. But to start a recording, all you would do is click the recording button and then press start. You could also hit the MetaQuest button, which is over here, the little circle thing, when you're in the app, and then it brings you to a screen where you can both stop and start the recording again. But we're here, we're already recording, so we're going to hop into one of the apps. So the app we're going to start with is Meta Horizon Workrooms. Now it's just loading. So when you're in the app, your boundary that you've made is off, so please be careful. When you hop in, you'll first be in pass-through mode, which means that the space around you on the video will appear black. In real life, you'll see a gray and white and black image of the real world. So right now, what I'm seeing is the plant, but in gray, black, and white. But probably all you're seeing is my little screen that says get ready for workrooms. So the very first step is to set the desk width. So I'm going to sit down, and then I'm going to pinch my fingers. So we're going to do this very front one here on the edge of my desk, and then I'm going to draw the size I want for my desk. Then you're going to set the desk height. So you're going to take it, bring down, and push on the desk until it reaches your real height. And now we're in workrooms. We're going to take a little tour just to follow their instructions. All right, right now we are in our personal office. And now what you should be able to see is this workroom. It's pretty similar to the personal office, like the view is the same, but instead of just one table in front of you, you have as many seats as there are people in your meeting. And when you add in more people to your meeting, there'll be more desks created. So this link is your general workroom link, and you can access the link by going on the desktop version and creating a new meeting link, or by copying and pasting the link for this room. So you're the admin, this is someone who's joined the meeting previously, which has to have a different headset, but basically that's the basics. So your room, you can mute yourself, unmute yourself, you can also change your seat. So by clicking and pressing, you can move there, you can raise your hand, put it down, and there is also an option to just use your hands. So you can also put down your controllers, and then put your hands in front of you, and then it'll turn on tracking for your hand. If your headset is using Workrooms for the first time, then it will lead you through a turn on motion tracking, and then you'll just follow the steps until basically you reach the same stage. And so the way it works, you can either aim with your hands, and then you pinch to select. So if I wanted to select, I would just pinch that. And with access, let's say members only. Just kidding. settings. You can change your avatar, see me pinching, edit my avatar. You can scroll by clicking on it. So you can scroll by just clicking on it. And adding whatever you'd like. So now we have a lovely outfit that I think we should definitely keep for this. And if you want to go back to the menu when you're on your hand, all you do is hold your palm like this until this little image with a circle pops up, the meta menu. Then you just press and hold. And that'll take you back to the menu. We're already in it, so we don't need to do that. And here we are in the personal office. So you can again press and hold and enter this pass-through mode, where I'm seeing the plant, you guys are not, or we can turn it to put back into the personal office. And so then, once you've exited, you can go and try Roblox, do something else if you're supposed to do that, and you can also go and stop the recording. So by going and clicking stop recording. And when your recording is finished, it will just appear down here. And then you can upload it to your Google account or your email, whatever you want to log into. The browser is here. You can click that and then log into it. And then you can then send the video to yourself.